was a lovely person, very kind person who would help anyone. And when he was disabled himself, he was always there to help someone. He was rushed into ICU for 4 weeks. When he was in ICU, one of the doctors said to me, "David, I have something to tell you." He says, and this is very serious. And you know, the life left me. And I says, "What is it?" And he says, "Charlie's been given the wrong blood. And I says, "How serious is this?" He says, "David, it is very serious, and I'm going to report it now because it needs to be dealt with." I have spoken to numerous doctors in the Royal Victoria Hospital about this blood, and even doctors have said to me, "How do you give someone the wrong blood? The blood is labelled with a serial number. You have a serial number on your band or your arm. You just match a serial number with the blood, and you know it's the right person you're giving the blood up to."
Where do you want to take this in the future? Are you thinking of inquest or?
I do want an inquest, because at the end of the day, if I don't do this, who's next? Just the truth needs to be told.